cattle drive on the Judy farm today. Shooting a documentary as well. Here they come. Practical Farmers of Iowa coming. Shoot a documentary about Greg's farm. Green Pastures Farm. Lots of pretty red cows. Just a short cattle drive here. It's fenced on both sides of the roads. All we gotta do is close some gates. Run a couple ribbons on one side, on each side. Open the gate we want them to go in, and look at the happy lines on that girl. And now, might as well have a freaking flag across them. Still coming. We got several more to go. Lots of calves in the back. A lot more on the way. Yeah, we hear you. Looking for her calf. Where'd he go?